Hi there beautiful friend. Ever notice app on your Samsung phone that you never use? The good news is you can disable many of them in just a few taps. In this video, I'll show you how to disable pre-install app on Samsung phone, free up your app drawer and make your phone feel more organized. So let's get started. First, open the settings menu on your phone. After opening settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Here, find the apps option, tap to open it. After opening the app, look for the three lines icon, tap on it, choose show system apps. After that, hit OK and automatically appear the all system app listed there. You can scroll down a little, find the exact app if you want to disable. For example, this video I want to disable Chrome browser, so click on Chrome and wait to appear. After the app info page, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can see three different options: open, disable, force stop. So tap on the disable button, then hit disable app again and automatically disable the pre-installed Chrome browser app on your Samsung phone. To check it this process work for you, return to the home screen or open the app drawer. Here you can swipe left or right to check to find the app or use the search bar, search for Chrome browser. If you don't appear the app, this means you have successfully disabled it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on notification bell for more simple Samsung tips, Android guides and helpful tech tutorials. Bye, take care guys.